Look, doggy.
Did you go?
Yeah.
What's that? It's a little doggy. What's that doggy doing?
I can't just
Where? There he is. What is that? Is that your baby friend?
No.
She doesn't want any other dogs in her house.
Little doggy.
See, this is a faster way to rehabilitate because we're not walking, so we're doing a different speed, and they have to focus on
That's
that
enough.
speed. So, but you have to have the balance.
It's a little ball. You gonna play with doggy?
She's
biting her ball.
She's offering it to the dog to play with it.
You wanna play with a little dog? Yeah.